Hello, guys. In the previous series that I made, we had a chance to look at some TypeScript fundamentals, and in this new series, I'll be taking a different approach. So we'll actually be solving some problems using TypeScript. So I'm planning on making a series of videos that will go over. There's this website called Project Euler. Some people call it Euler. I used to call it Euler. I still call it Euler, but people call it Project Euler. So you can search for Project Euler online, and it's the first link you get. So it's projecteuler.net, and then just click on that. So we'll be looking at starting from the archives section. You just click on the archive section. So they have tons of problems here. Yeah, we'll be going through. Maybe we'll go through the first 50, and then you guys can continue on your own. But I will be releasing a problem, a video every day from now, going through the problems in order, trying to solve them efficiently where we can, and seeing if we can improve on our solution. So by learning how to refactor code in a way that's efficient for us. So we'll go through multiples of 3 and 5. So if you click on, just look at the first one. So the question says, if we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Find the sum of all multiples of 3 or 5 below 1,000. And then we'll write a problem for this, and then we'll go through the solution, and I'll explain how I got to the solution. So you can, yeah, you're welcome to go through the questions yourself and see if you have different solutions to what I have, because that's most likely going to be the case, because we don't think the same. You might see the solution in one way, and I might see it in another way, and maybe they're both optimal. So yeah, so we'll get to look at these problems, and we can share some knowledge. I can teach you some problem solving skills and things like that. So yeah, see you in the next video.